Morning guys, right, got a new tool to show you. I've been sent in something fantastic from a company called SpeTools, and they're a set of their panel clamps, and I'm going to run you through absolutely everything on these panel clamps. I am so pleased with these. Right, I've got them out of the box. I'm not going to bore you with an unboxing, but just to say they were really well packaged. So you've got a pin here. You've got this pin here for the side of your board, and you've got another pin here. You can take them out. Obviously, you've got your clamping mechanism here, and the thing that goes on here, which I'll show you shortly. The construction of them looks solid and robust. They've apparently got this anti sort of, to stop the glue sticking to it, coating on them. Yeah, they're really good. The actual quality of the tool is superb. Come with instructions, but they're basically self-explanatory. Got serial numbers. I don't know what that relates to, but anyway, SpeTool. Let's get these up and running, and let's get some clamping. So to put this onto the bar, you just hold it there. That goes through there with a washer and screw. It's like some sort of Torx type bit. Don't drop the washer like I've just done. Come here, Mr. Washer. There we go. And it's got a recess in there, so that head goes in there. And make sure that that little bolt gets recessed right into there, because the last thing you want to be doing is marking your wood up. And that is done. Simply put these back together. Just put that in between that at the back. There's like a ball bearing type catch device here that just slides through like so. One, and then obviously onto the second one. There we go. That's it done, and that's the peg. Again, it's got a ball bearing, so the length of the wood that you put your wood in that way, and you can sort of make sure you get the right sort of length onto when you're tightening it down, sort of thing. Excuse me today, it's rather cold. So as you can see, to tighten it, it's just this mechanism here. That works nice. I don't, the brass there, is that brass? Brass coloured. But overall, the quality of that is superb. Nice, grippy, engineered little handle there. Everything sort of solid and robust. I lost a little washer from in there, but luckily I had some washers. That weren't SpeTool's fault, it was there. I've mislaid that, but all in all, that is superb. Right, let's get some wood cut and let's get some gluing. So I'm just going to cut these boards down to 50 centimetres because I've got a project coming up that I can use. They're all nice, they're nice now. They feel nice. Nice mechanism on them. So you can see here how the panels fit into the clamp, just to show you that before I glue it up. Then you'd put your pin in and tighten it up here. Obviously these would be glued up, which I'm going to do now. So let's get a bit of glue on there. your boards in. So, pin in. Let's move these back a bit. Let's get a bit of, line your boards up best you can. I want to keep these boards because I've got a project for him. Just a rough project, nothing special type of project. And then start clamping down. I'm just gonna squeeze them until I get a little bit of even. So it pushes them that way, and these bars, because of this mechanism here, pushes them down. So you've got like a four-way sort of push from underneath, from the top. I don't want to over tighten them. Right, I'm getting a nice bit of squeeze out there now, and that'll do for the purposes of the video. People say don't over tighten your clamps and your panel clamps and that kind of stuff. So let's see. Let that dry now. Another good thing what you could do with these clamps is put a little French cleat system on to hang them up on the wall when the glue's drying. So I need these out the way for now, and it's absolutely freezing cold here, so I'm going to have to let this dry. Normally you'd give it a couple of hours, say, I suppose, but I'm going to let these dry overnight. And like, you could put a French cleat system on there, hang them on the wall, or what I'm simply going to do is just put them up against there and let them dry, because I need this table for something else. Right, it's next day, and let's see how these are performed. It's a panel, so just a glued up panel, but overnight these have held up really well. I like that there, where it's a little bit, it looks like it don't fit right, but it does. And it just sort of like gets the corners of the panel right. It gives it a bit of give there, so everything's been thought out really well with these clamps. I'm just showing you like what the sort of like what you can pull that pin out, lift it up, all this kind of thing. And the panel, my friends, is done. Panel glued up. But anyway, you can see what they're for. I'll use that panel for an upcoming project I've got, so put that to one side. So all is really good with these. Really like them. They're not overly heavy. Obviously, when you've got a panel in them, they're going to be heavy. So, you know, you can't discount that. If you're looking for like the lightest thing in the world, this is not them. But they're not overly heavy. As you can see, I can lift with one arm, a good exercise. And I can mount these onto the wall for storage away. So you could easily put French cleats on here and store them away on the wall. But overall, they are fantastic. One thing I wanted to show you was there's like a coating on here. A lot of people would put a bit of tape on there, you know, obviously for the glue and stuff, which you still can do and I would recommend doing. But if you'd have a look, it just glides off then, the coating just comes right off. So they're really easy clean up as well. I mean, I'd still put a bit of like packing tape or something like that if you're doing a glue up. But yeah, fantastic. Right, what do I think of these SpeTool panel clamps? I think they're absolutely amazing. Real good quality. They come well packaged. They've been thought out really, really well. The actual engineering behind them is really good, and I'm really sort of happy with them. They're not overly heavy. All the components are really good. When I did get one out here, there was a little nut that come loose, but just go around them when you get them. Just make sure like the nuts and bolts that sort of hold the things together are nice and tight. But that's like anything you buy, really. This coating works really well with the glues, but I still say put some packing tape on it like I would. You'll see me use these on upcoming videos I've got planned in the new year. Some cabinet builds I've got wardrobe builds, and I'm going to be using clamping panels together. So these is going to come in super handy for that. There's links down below if you want to have a look at the SpeTool panel clamps, and you can follow the guys at SpeTool on YouTube, on Instagram, that kind of thing. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know. But my idea is actually use these in videos. The proof's in the pudding, and you'll see me use these, but I'm very confident in them that they're going to do really well. You could store these easy by putting them up on, you know, French cleats, that kind of thing. It's absolutely freezing in here today, so I don't want to sort of get any saws out. It really is that cold. So yeah, the SpeTool panel clamps, it's a thumbs up from me. Have a look at them, guys. Have a look.